Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which allows you to actually create API keys to various AI models. If you simply type this Routeway on Google, the very first website which comes routeway.ai. So it's a one AI API for 100 plus AI models. So once you visit this website, it's a really good website, trusted website. I am using it for past 6 months and it has 100 plus AI models and it's trusted by almost 40,000 developers. So the landing page is quite good. You can start for completely free. They have the free plan, 200 requests per day. You can actually do this. They also have the pro plan as well, $12. You can start. So click on sign in. You can sign in with your Google account. It's totally free to try this platform and click on continue. And once you do this, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So right here, you get 200 requests in the free plan. You will see that daily limit, it automatically reset every day. So every day you get 200 daily free request. And right here, you can click out the model section to actually see how many models are supported. So almost 208 models are supported. You will see that we have Quen, we have Claude, Grok, Neumotron, we'll see GPT, DeepSeek, GLM, Claude Opus. Also, we have Claude Opus as well. So, all the pricing of these models are actually mentioned. The input, output, pricing, everything is mentioned right here. Gemma is also there. GPT, you will see that. Minimax, Flux. So, video generation, image generation models are also there. Nano Banana, you will see, is Nano Banana Pro model. So from here also you can directly search for your model. So click on Claude Opus, you will see that. This is your provider Anthropic. The input cost, output cost per million tokens is all also shown right here. So now to get started to create the API key, it's really simple. You go to the API key section and from here you click on create API key. Just give it a name and you can also do the advanced setting as well. You can limit your API key, but click on create. This gives you your API key. Simply copy to clipboard, and if you see the billing section right here, so you can add the billing as well once you sign up 200 requests per day in the free plan. So you can also add the balance as well. You click how much you want to add and you can pay with the credit card through Stripe. You will see that. So Polar is it's really simple to actually add balance as well. So it's a trusted website, and after you do that, right here you can even join their Discord group as well. So this is the documentation which is there. If you click the documentation section right here, click on quick start. Once you log in, you create your API key. After that, inside Windows for different operating system, they have mentioned this. And from here, first of all, if you're working in Python, you simply install this model, OpenAI, then simply create the script to actually call this API. So I will just create this app.py file, simply paste this code. So right here, you will paste this API key that you created. So so from here, you paste your API key. And now you simply run this Python script really simply called python app.py. It will actually run this code. We simply ask a question right here, write a story about robot and a cat. We are using this GPT 4 point mini model. So just make sure that if you see we are getting this error that insufficient funds, please add credits to continue. Yeah, so this is a very normal error because if you have created a new account, you should actually at least add some credits like $1, $2. After that, you can make the request. It will be successful. In the free plan, you get almost 200 requests per day and access to experimental models. So just make sure that you click on add balance. Just add anything. It can be minimum amount is $5. So you simply add this amount. After that, it can be $2 also. So after that, just create this Python script and you can call this API. Also, you can install this extension, which is clean extension as well. If you want to call through various VS Code extensions or Ru code as well, directly install this extension. So click on settings and then from this API provider, you simply select OpenAI compatible and then paste your base URL and select the model. So yeah, this is the base URL, then the API key, and then like select the model. So you can either create a API key or you can call this API through Routeway, this Ru code extension. So totally both these options are there. You just need to add some tokens, and it's really good. You can apply for their startup program as well. So definitely check out this website. It's a really good website.